Hey everyone, today we're making a nice yummy recipe. I really like curry, so I decided to choose a curry chili today, mixing two of my favorite things, chili and curry. This I'll be using turkey today. You can use chicken or roast beef, or ground beef I should say. Either way, it takes a lot of ingredients, but it's really easy to make. First, you're going to want to start off with putting about two tablespoons of vegetable oil into the pot and start heating it up. Then you want to add a pound of, I'm using turkey. Normally I'd use chicken, but I have some extra turkey laying around, so I'm using ground turkey. I'm going to use 2 pounds. I'm going to be doubling everything I put in, because I'm making for my bigger family. But what I'll put on the screen is everything for a standard 4 servings. So I can see, go ahead and add the ground. So I'm using ground turkey. You're going to cook that for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it looks like it's cooked all the way through. After it cooks through, you're going to want to go ahead and scoop all of the meat out and put it off to the side on a plate. And you're going to be putting. All right, and after you take out all the chicken or turkey or whatever you're using, go ahead and add a half a cup of chicken broth, which I already added in there. 2 tablespoons of garam masala. I don't know if I said that right or not. 1 teaspoon of ginger. A whole sweet onion. And then about a tablespoon of garlic. I'm always going to go for more because I love myself some garlic. Go ahead and let that. Alright, after about 5 minutes, the onion should be nice and tender. So then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of curry paste. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add extra salt because I'm making a lot more, and plus I like myself some salt too. Then you go ahead and mix that up, and let it cook for about. Alright, after about 2 or 3 minutes, the spices should be nice and fragrant. So you're going to add 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas. I'm going to be adding 2 because I'm doubling everything in here. Plus chickpeas are really good, I like chickpeas. A lot of chickpeas, huh? And 1 13.5 ounce can of coconut milk. Makes it nice and creamy. I like coconut milk, it's really good in a lot of stuff. It's a really good substitute for like heavy cream, or if you need like milk and flour mixture. And then 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. You're going to want to drain the can of the chickpeas and drain the tomatoes before you dump them in. And you go ahead and mix those up and let those cook till boil. Once it's doing a nice boil, you're going to get a bowl and mix a 1/4 cup of broth with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it together and go ahead and pour it on in there. And you want to go ahead and add the chicken from earlier. I have to put the phone down for this one. Watch out, don't splash me. Nice and greasy. Alright, sorry about that. And go ahead and mix it up, get it all mixed in there, let it cook for a few more minutes, and then wham bam, thank you ma'am. There it is. Afterwards, I put a dollop of some Greek yogurt on top, sprinkled on some herbs. Looks fantastic and tastes good. There you have it. Really easy recipe. Just a lot of ingredients. Tastes so good. It's not too spicy unless you wanted to make it spicy. Just add some more pepper to it. Or chili powder, I guess. Anyway, really simple. I enjoyed it. It's really yummy. Actually, the first time I made it. It's so good. If you like this video, please hit the little subscribe button down below along with the little bell thingy so you know when I put more videos out. And please leave a comment down below too if there's other recipes you want me to try, or if you tried this recipe yourself and thought it was really good, or you hated it, or any tips or tricks that you want me to try out, just let me know. Anyway, see you around.